Hello, today in this video I'm going to show you and I'm going to explain to you the Pythagoras theorem and many more things. So starting, let's say we've got a right triangle right here, and this equals to 8 centimeters. We don't know the value, b centimeters and c centimeters. We don't quite know yet know the values. So, how much is c squared? Well, c squared will be equal to a squared plus b squared, right? So here we got our very important formula. Now let's give to a and b values. Okay, here we got, let's say a equals to 3 centimeters in our case, 4 centimeters and c centimeters. Here I mistake it. Just a second. And c centimeters, right? So now let's calculate c centimeters in this case. Well, c squared centimeters, we know that it just equals to a squared plus b squared. That's our formula. What's a and b? Well, a can be 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters. It doesn't matter. And or b can be either 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters. Depends on what a is. But it really doesn't quite matter. So c squared will equal to 3 squared plus b equals to 4 squared, right? So here we got our c value, c squared value. This equals to 25. And now I'm going to show you how to solve this thing. How to get a. We take the square root of this side and take the square root of this side. Now these two roots cancel out. And this leaves us with equals square root of 25, which means c equals 5. Here we got it. Now I think you understood how to solve this hypotenuse. Oh yeah, this works only when the c is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Whoa. Hypotenuse. I know, I write horrible. So, now let's say A. We want to solve A out of this. We've got here our quadratic triangle. Not quadratic, 90 triangle. Right triangle. Right? Here we got A. This value is 4 centimeters. Let's say. This value 5 centimeters. I will solve this without looking at this, of course. Well, in order to solve this a, gotta know that in this case a squared equals to 3 squared minus c squared. And b is equal to 5 because 5 is bigger too. Because 5 is bigger than 5 is bigger than 4, so we want a higher value to be equal to b, and c is of course 4. So now let's rewrite this. A square equal to 5 square, which is 25, minus 4 square. Here, this is a very important formula too. A squared equals to b squared minus c squared. Now, the way to start this is just calculating. And this equals to a square equals to 9. 25 minus 16 just equals 9. Don't worry. Now, we use what we did till now and cancel the 2. Don't forget to get the root out of this. And this means a equals 3. And if we check it here, yes, a does really. Now let's do the same thing, but for b. b, this is 3 centimeters, of course without checking, because that would not be nice. Well, it's actually very simple. You know, b squared equals to c squared minus a squared, and c squared of course is gonna be the higher value, because so c is gonna be 5 and a is gonna be 3, right? Because it's the lower. So firstly, this will be equal to 5 squared minus 3 squared. Now, this means b squared equals to 25 minus 9, and it equals to 16. So b squared equals to 16. Now you already may know what we have to do. We have to get the square roots of both sides, cancel the second power with the root, and this means that b equals to square root of 16, which equals to 4. Here we got our answer for b. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. If you have any questions, don't forget to write it to the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you by the next one.